See, today I am going to show you how to locate root 3 on the number line. It's very simple and very easy to do. Just you have to remember two important things. First of all, when you are going to take, for example, here I'll show you, this is the place where, see, first you have to draw a number line. So I'll start by taking a number line here. Okay, now take O as a center origin on the number line. Then see here, now actually we have to draw one right angle triangle. Now right angle triangle, say for this case I am going to take here 1 point and here 1 point, and this makes, although my line is not so straight, but you have to draw a straight line using a scale. So now let's take this point as A and this point as a B. See here, the two important things we have to take. What will be the measurement of OA and OB? See, always in this case, whatever the irrational number you are going to find or locate on the number line, see, always take AB, this is the vertical one, always take as a 1 unit. But see, this 1 unit is same for all type of irrational number, like root 2, root 3, root 5, root 7, root 11, root 13. For every cases, this AB is always 1 unit. Now the second important thing, and which is the most important, which varies here, OA. What will be the measurement of OA? See, OA measurement always we have to take, for example, in this case I will take OA as root 2. Now you may be thinking, why root 2? See, root 2 I am taking because just before root 3 the irrational number exists, root 2. Okay, that's why I am taking root 2. Now for example, when you are going to find for root 7, then your before root 7 what will be the irrational number? Root 6. So in that case you have to take root 6 when you are going to find or locate root 7 on the number line. Now in this case, as we are going to locate root 3, so we have to always take root 2 as a OA. Got it? It's very simple. So most of the time the students get confused here, what to take on root A, what measurement we will take for root OA. See, always you take the before number. That means if you are going to find root 3, you have to locate, you have to assume root 2 for that OA. Now first we will take root 2 as OA and AB as 1 unit. Okay, next, see, this is what we can write as shown in figure, this one we can write, this is the assumed value we have taken. Now in the right angle triangle, now see this, what triangle we have drawn, actually it forms a right angle triangle. So we will write this way. So we will take right angle triangle OA. Sorry. OB, see here we have a OB. OB will be the hypotenuse as it is opposite to 90-degree angle here. This is a 90-degree angle. So opposite to 90-degree angle, we know there lies the hypotenuse. And we learned in Pythagoras theorem that is hypotenuse that is always equals to sum of the other two squares. So for example, here it is OB square equals to OA square plus AB square. And this is we wrote based on Pythagoras theorem. And this you have to know how this works. Now you look here, OB, we are going to find the length. So OA square we are taking, as we have already assumed here, OA as a root 2. So I have taken here, I just putting the value root 2 for OB, sorry, for OA. And for AB, as it is given here, 1. So I have taken here the 1 square. So here in the bracket I have written the reason here using 1. That means using this 2, we have just placed their values. Here root 2 square becomes 2, 1 square is 1, and this is 3. It's very simple, it's easy to understand. Now here we got OB square equals to root 3. Now see, it's very easy actually. For some students, I am just explaining this part as like this. Root 3 can be written as root 3 because see here we can write 3 as a root 3. Now look here, OB square, and here it is root 3 square. On both the left and right side we have a square terms. So that we can simply, to explain or easy to understand, I am telling you both the squares of the sides got cancelled and we can write simple OB equals to root 3. You see here square, this is square. I can just, I'll highlight here. This square and this square is got cancelled and left out is only OB and root 3. So we got the measurement of OB as a root 3. Now see, we got this measurement no as a root 3. We got this OB as a root 3. Now how to shift this point or this length to this number line? So for this we will be taking OA as a center of a circle, and this we will take as a radius of that circle. So we will write now, we will draw an arc taking O as a center and OB as a radius. So you have to use here compass. As I have no compass, I am just showing you. So you always draw with the help of a pencil and compass. So take this one as a center and OB you take as the length of the radius and draw the arc like this till it meets or cuts the number line here. So you can see when we draw the arc, it cuts the number line here at this point, and we can say this point is C, and this is the point actually root 3, because OB is the radius and OC is also now become the radius of the same arc. So this is how we can write here. Take O as a center and OB as a radius, an arc is drawn which cuts the number line at point C, which is root 3 on the number line. I hope you understand this, and if you have any difficulty in understanding, please write in a comment and I will go through it and try to help you to understand it better. Thank you. Thank you for watching.